And now, your KRCG 13 Storm Vision Forecast.
It was a pretty cool day across mid-Missouri today. We did pick up over an inch of rain in some places. Some places were close to 2. We take a look at some of our rain totals across the area. Towards the north, we did receive a little less rain. Columbia received just over 3/10, around the same for Jefferson City, but look at the lake. They received over an inch. Fort Leonard Wood was almost up to 2.5 inches. Keep looking across the area. Fulton up to almost half an inch. Max Creek was 1.77 inches, right under a half an inch in Versailles. So kind of a wet day for us, but definitely good for our drought situation. If we look at our almanac for today, our highs were only in the upper 30s and low 40s for most of us, and the lows were in the mid 30s. And I think we're going to bump up a little bit tomorrow, but it's going to take a while just because we'll have that rain in the morning. You can see more of those rain totals. Sedalia on there, just over a 10th, so a little bit less towards the north and a lot more rain towards the south near the lake area today. Our temperatures right now are hovering in the mid to upper 30s across most of the area. Fulton is 36 degrees, 33 right now in Vandalia, 36 in Versailles, and 34 in Green Ridge at 10 o'clock this evening. Our winds are coming mostly from the east northeast, and that's helping us feel a little bit cooler. So it's kind of chilly out there, a little bit windy, not a very good night to be outside compared to a couple nights ago when it was about 60-70 degrees. Our wind chills right now are in the upper 20s. Columbia feels like 26 degrees, Jefferson City 28, and chilly 24 up in Kirksville this evening. Columbia is 35 right now. We still have rain showers in the area. Winds are up to 14 miles per hour in Jefferson City. Around the same thing, we do have showers in the area. 36 degrees is our current temperature. At the lake, 36 as well, and looks like some of those showers are starting to move out. We do have a cloudy sky there tonight, though. Here's a look at our official almanac for today. 37 in the books for today, so pretty chilly day compared to our average of 56 degrees, and that average is just going to keep going up as we go out through March. And if we do remember, spring does start on Wednesday, although it is going to be a below average day for most of next week. And you see our low this morning, 34, pretty close to that average of 35 degrees. Here's a look at our hour by hour forecast. You can see that rain still lingering to the south of us earlier tonight, but that will start to move out of the area slowly tomorrow. I think the clouds are going to stick around for most of the day, but they should be out of the area towards the beginning of the week. Overnight tonight, our temperatures are going to dip right around that freezing mark. Like I said, cloudy skies. Then for tomorrow, temperatures will be in the upper 40s and low 50s as the clouds move out and sun starts to move in for the first part of the week. A dry cold front will come through during the day tomorrow and on Tuesday. Could have a couple of flurries on Tuesday, but again, I don't think a lot of this will accumulate. It's still going to be kind of a clear day for us on Tuesday. We'll have rain in the forecast early tomorrow morning for Columbia. Our high 49. Will be around the same for Tuesday. Evening flurries possible, and then for our first day of spring, well below normal, will be 42 for our high, but we will have sunny skies, so that will be nice. We'll have a chance of rain and snow on Thursday. That's still going to be a low chance. I don't think it's going to be too bad, but I think most of it should move out by early Friday. Temperatures will hover in the upper 30s and a low 40s though for the start of the weekend, so kind of a cold week for us across mid-Missouri compared to our average. 50 in Jefferson City tomorrow. Rain in the forecast for the early part of the day. That should move out by Tuesday. A couple evening flurries on Tuesday evening. That should move out by Wednesday. We'll have a nice kind of a sunny day for our first day of spring, but still chilly. Temperatures in the low 40s for most of the week, and then as we get towards the weekend, clear our skies out a little bit again. For the lake area, I think most of it will stay rain early tomorrow morning. 51 for our high. Possible chance of flurries Tuesday night, although I don't think that'll be too much of an impact for the lake. 50 degrees for the high on Tuesday. Again, though, temperatures will drop off a lot, and we will have rain chances all throughout the end of next week. So kind of a gloomy start to our first week of spring. I
was going to say, I think the best part of your forecast was that spring is actually going to be here on
finally.
Wednesday. we can't wait.
Yes.